Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I installed this beautiful goddess faux locs. So just stay tuned to see how I did it. So as you can see, her hair is quite short at the back, so I'll be using this Brazilian wool to braid any part of her hair that is very short. So you just have to part it in any style you like. You can do triangle parts, you can do box parts, you can do random parts, so anyone you want is fine. So but for the purpose of this video, I'm only doing box braids. So I'm just going to part it into boxes. So here is the final one. As I was just about to complete this, the power went off. But I really want to show you guys how I achieved this look. So so I had to continue. So this is the goddess faux locs that I'll be using. It's very pretty. It comes in the length 24 inches. This is color T33. Is 21 strands in a bundle, so you can use 3 packs. For this look I use 3 packs, but depending on how fully you want yours to come out, you can use 4 packs. So you can get this hair from Summer Hair on Instagram, so send them a message to order yours. A pack of it is 3,000 naira, or you can get it for around 80 USD. So for the hair I use in wrapping this crochet hair, I use normal braiding hair in color 1 and color 30, so I mix them together. So you just have to like mix it, blend the 2 colors together, and just brush it. It will just give you something that looks like this faux locs that we are using. So you just have to make sure that it's properly mixed together. So once you're done mixing it, you brush it. Then I think I'll just keep quiet so that you guys can just wash it and understand how it's done. I don't think it needs any explanation, so just stay tuned. So yeah, so once you're done, you make sure you trim out the frizzes out of the hair. Make sure you trim it to be neat. You can bond the knots. Just make sure that everywhere is just super secured so that it doesn't lose. So here now I am actually done. You can see that the hair is not so tight at the roots, like, so it's actually pain free. So guys, once you're through with this, just use mousse and apply on the hair. So unfortunately I forgot to take videos of the hair, so but here are some pictures showing the hair. So you guys don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys so much and have a wonderful day. Bye.